This is Greenwich Park, East Bank Essequibo. I'm here again to see Jonesy, the man who has been taking care of this little girl since she was a baby.
Arianna, we're going through lots of disaster, man, and the mud and the flooding.
Guys, welcome back to the Shabna show. I'm here again at Greenwich Park, East Bank Essequibo. You guys can remember I came here a few times to visit Jonesy, who takes care of the little girl Arianna. So I'm here right now with a neighbor who is accompanying me.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shazira. I'm Jonesy Fratliva.
Okay, come on, and she's kind enough to come with me. We'll go visit them. This is the truck that we have to go through to reach to his house. I know it's not a safe area because there's so much bush around here. Here we go. And talk to him. Here it is. Hey. Good afternoon. How you doing? Come. We bring something for you. Okay. You cooking? This is where Jonesy is living. You guys can remember I came here already. He had some issues with his house where it was falling, and some of my supporters came together and they helped to repair some sections of it. This is a lot better than how it was. Arianna, hi Arianna. How are you? You got so big. You still at Greenwich Park School?
Yeah.
Which class are you in now?
Grade 6.
Grade 6. Oh, okay. You got to check the seawall out in the meantime because he's actually living here on the sea dam, and right out from his house there's beautiful view. So we're going here.
You gonna come up?
Yes. Give me a hand. Thank you. Yeah. Hi Arianna. You come out here and swim?
Yeah.
Okay. So Jonesy's coming to join us up here. Come. Good afternoon. How you doing?
All right.
We came back to visit you. I know it's a long time.
Yeah.
So how's everything with you and Arianna?
Everything with me, Arianna. We're going through lots of disaster, man.
Okay.
With the rain and the mud and the flooding,
Yes.
everything.
Yeah, but you have your house lot, right?
Yeah, me have my house, but none we need a help, like for assist, like for just buy the material or buy the stone or buy whatsoever, and I go continue with it.
But you know the government has a cement and stone.
Yeah.
Is it cement and stone or steel rod and
Steel rod and thing,
and
yeah.
cement
But,
program.
we can't get contract with none one.
But you need to go in. I think you should go to the probably Minister of Housing or the region or so.
So you can get to start a bit of something.
Yeah,
Yeah,
if you make a start, then you have to show that you're helping yourself first before you get the help, right? Do that.
Well, I might go, yeah, I think really good.
Okay.
I'll give the semi in Georgetown, and then I will go.
Okay.
Yes, I would really need him to move from here because the flooding and so what is going on at the back here. It will be great for, he have his own house lot so that he could get help, if you guys could afford to help him to, even a 2-bedroom wood house or something to just move from here.
Okay. Because for a long time you were saying you have this land.
Yes,
Because and Arianna is getting bigger, right?
exactly.
And it's not nice for her to live in this condition. Yes.
Sometimes I shoot out after shot
Yeah.
it.
He does,
I shot with the boots and stuff, can't get to work out.
Okay.
It's a disaster when living.
Get a help for assist
Yeah.
to help him to build his home on his new land. It will be great for him and his child.
Yeah.
That a girl go away and leave her child with him, and he grow the child from a newborn baby. And we see that because we are the front neighbor, and he lived at the back by me since I was 8 years old. So he living in this swamp all the time.
Out here enjoying the lovely breeze by the seawall and the lovely view.
This is Guyana.
Yes,
Lovely
this is Guyana. It is.
Yes.
Yeah.
And a happy view.
Yeah, so even though this is such a beautiful view,
Yeah.
the condition in which he's living in is not nice, and that's the
But
sea
at the
dam, and he has to move, huh? Wow, look at this.
What a rough.
Yeah, it's rough. Oh, beautiful. Guess what? We just missed the sunset.
Let me share some interesting facts about Greenwich Park. For generations, many residents occupied state lands without formal documentation or formal home ownership. This posed many challenges for residents, such as severe legal, financial, and personal difficulties. You know that without legal documentation, occupants can face the risk of having their homes demolished or be evicted, especially if the land is needed for government, infrastructural, or private development. Also, banks and financial institutions in Guyana generally require a legal title to use land as collateral. So they cannot obtain mortgages or loans to improve their homes or start businesses. Another issue is that unregistered land cannot be legally sold, transferred, or inherited. That means that occupants cannot convert the land into wealth or pass it on to family members. But on December 31st, 2025, all of that changed. President Irfaan Ali removed those challenges for 25 families, represented them with legal ownership of the lands that they have called home. This has ended a decades-long struggle for legal ownership and a new beginning for the families.
Very happy to come back and see Jonesy again and Arianna. I know a long time ago I promised to come back and call and check up on them, and they were doing good. But now he told me that Arianna is in grade 6 now. She told me that as well. And she's preparing to write the grade 6 exams. And you guys see for yourself the condition in which they're living in, and you know that they can't continue like that. So it's better that they move from here because he already has his house lot. Where's your house lot?
Zero. Yeah,
You
zero.
went and identified already?
Yes, setting up.
We already paid and stuff for everything.
Got no trees.
Yeah, the condo is done. But the bush was together for high school.
Okay. So I don't know how many of you have been following these videos from before when I used to come here and highlight the issue with them. But just to recap, a long time ago, when Arianna was just a baby, her mother used to come into the area to ask for help. So she said she needed a place to stay, so he allowed her to stay in this place for a little bit with the baby. And then one day she abandoned the baby and left her with him.
Yeah.
And he raised her since then. He's been doing a good job, as you can see. He's gotten her this big. He's been sending her to school, ensure she has food. But what work you do? You remember you said?
I am a vendor in the market.
What you sell?
I sell it through I sell accessories.
Accessories. Oh,
Yeah.
at one time when we came here, he was selling sweet potatoes and fish and all. Take you buy them yourself or you?
Yeah, I'm buying them myself, going to Georgetown. Yesterday I went there, I purchased my stuff, and then I come home, and then it went today. Today I carried curriculum. I leave it by my sister for Sunday.
Okay.
You have to leave at 2 o'clock for the morning, get up that hour for go down there.
You go leave at 2 o'clock to go to the market to sell.
Exactly for the morning.
You have a stall in the new market, the
Yeah,
market.
yeah.
So Arianna, you go with him too? Yeah.
Yeah, she had to go because I
You
can't
can't leave her at home
No,
alone. Yes,
no,
yes,
no,
yes.
no, it's not,
Oh,
she
that's
unsafe there.
Yes, that's
So
good. Yeah.
let me do my best till when I when God ready for me.
Yes.
Whatsoever she would get big, she was know to do business, she was know to go to the market,
Right,
she know to sell and everything. She know to make change,
Yes.
she know to help and sell when the garden was big, she'll sell and make change.
Arianna, you're how old now? 12? She's 11. She's not even 12 yet. And
No.
it's alright teaching her to do business. This is very good. Yes.
But just now we did the finance like the house facilities like that. You know, we can make the money in you know, make the money like go right away up.
Yes.
Got proud before we get. Helping for just for start and then we go continue.
Yes. Because what you work for is just enough for you to buy food and pay your bills.
Well, yes, I will. But yes, it's working me for that. But like for build the house facilities, it cannot.
You're not able to save any.
No.
And how are you doing in school? You're doing good. But keep up the good work.
She's taking a
We want to
lesson.
see you know, get the top school at the exam, right?
Yeah, she's taking a lesson every afternoon from 4:30.
Yeah.
And she come now and then she eat now. Then make this.
Yes, yes.
She dinner.
Right. And thank God for the neighbors like
Yeah.
they're
Then they have a good neighbor.
Yeah.
Since they smile too. In front of me, and she died to go same thing. This one saying to him, she's next to die. All of them, the brothers also.
Yes.
So it's not a stranger, them not a stranger to me, them like
Yes,
my own.
And one person that was mentioned here today is one of his neighbors, Sabrina. Sabrina is the one who actually introduced me to Jonesy. She brought me here to see them and to highlight their situation because she didn't like the way Arianna was growing up in the condition of the back there and, you know, being a single father. He's a father for her. You have to say adopted father.
Yeah.
Taking care of her.
Yeah.
He wasn't able to provide to all of her needs. So she highlighted it and we got some help for her, which is really good. And Sabrina is not in the area right now. She's living somewhere else. In Letem, okay.
Yeah,
And she's running a business there, and we're happy for her. Sabrina, we still remember you, and we miss you here. But thank God we have Shazila as well.
Yeah.
And her daughter. So this is Sabrina, the kind neighbor who wants to help Mr. Jonesy and little Arianna.
I was always watching your show and see that you're helping people, so I decided to just message you to help him also.
Well, that's kind of you. Yeah. We hope that he can get the help he deserves because this little girl needs to grow up in a better environment, better condition.
As you can see, the environment what she is growing right now.
Yeah.
Most of her day she does that by me. And because I was so sorry for her in her environment, but she does by you. Because you can see the house is lean, the condition that she live in. And for a girl child like she to be living in a place like this, it's not too safe for her.
Thank God he has Shazida, his neighbor, who's the front neighbor, who's still looking out for him, and Arianna. So she has a daughter, Arianna's age as well. So Arianna doesn't feel too lonely being here.
Whenever she feel lonely, she come over and play.
Uh-huh.
Or if she need anything, she just come by. We just look out for her and so.
That's really good.
Yeah.
And she's growing up really nicely. You're doing a good job with her. You're taking good care of her.
Yeah, because everybody say around here that is good that me got a little child because when I get little old, when she get big, she's not, or decide to go and leave the place and she gone. Me want she stay and look after the house and so because sometimes now me and they at the same time, something got ready for me at that time. She's got her own little house and so on.
So Shazina has a business. Her husband does this business where they go to from Georgetown to Letem with his minibus.
Bus service.
What's the name of it?
Cindy bus service.
Cindy's bus service.
Which is a really good service in Georgetown that you could go really safe and come back safe. Let him and any tour of you think to from Georgetown to Let him and Bumfield.
Oh, you got to bump for him as well?
Yeah.
There's her husband. Okay, so this is Mr. Hanif, and this is his bus here that he goes to Let him with. You pick up passengers in Georgetown.
Yeah, or anyway, depends on how they walk, you know.
Okay.
If we got pick up anyway, we ain't got problem, yeah. We take 14 hours right now.
14. Is the road good? Or
Right now, depends on the weather days, how the road is thing. Right now, the weather is good, so the road nice right now.
so you reach faster?
Yeah.
then? When the road is bad, how long it takes?
We take like a day, 24 hours.
Oh, wow. And what's the price to go there?
Well, right now, return is 28,000 return. So you could book anytime. You could go and you could come back anytime with the same service.
Okay. What's the phone number for them to call and contact you?
670-9538.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah, how many seat?
I just say we scare 10 person, 3 in a seat, and we got big comfortable seat. You can see.
Okay. Okay, and then you have the
Yeah, they just put your baggage.
this section up here on top of the bus for the
Spare wheel, they got
bus.
extra gas.
Okay.
Big extra seat.
Spacious and comfortable.
Yeah. 3 in a seat.
Well, that's good.
Well, let us show them.
3 rows, right?
Yeah.
Okay, one more in front.
One in front, yeah.
Okay. Well, that's nice. Good to know. Because
We got a cheaper place in Brazil we could stay.
uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, you go to Brazil as well?
Yeah.
Bonfim.
There,
Not
we
far.
go to visit. Yeah.
Boa Vista. And how much to go to Boa Vista?
Well, but this is be a different charges when you reach Let them from Let them and leave deep determine like how much or it depends on how much person to, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got fixed charges.
Okay. And of course, there's a good place there to
hotel.
stay.
Yeah, yeah, it's Brazil. Nice. Yeah.
Okay. And good food there too.
And cheap as well.
Cheap, real cheap.
Uh-huh.
Not like cake.
Tambake.
Yeah, Tommy fish. We fried that today.
Really?
Yeah,
Because he brings.
Last night they come home.
Okay.
So you just bring fish and pig.
Nice. Okay. All right, guys. So check them out if you want to go to Let them.
Some people coming from foreign.
Uh-huh.
We don't get a room and everything in Brazil for them. They're going for the room.
Guys, I'm here at the store in Tuschen, East Bank of Essequibo. I just met one of my supporters, and I'm happy to meet you.
My name is Moro.
Oh, her name is Madhu, and she's from New York.
Yes, yes.
She's visiting, so she's returning now.
Yeah,
And I'm
I
happy to
happened
hear.
to run into her.
Yes.
And it was so nice because I know you do a lot of good for the Guyanese people.
Thank you so much. In fact,
Yeah.
I'm actually here doing some hampers for an auntie in New York.
Oh, wow.
Yes, so
yes, yes.
I'm here. I just got some items. The girls are very nice. They're assisting me to put them together.
Okay, okay. Good,
Sure.
good. You do a lot of good.
Thank you. All right.
Yeah. So I'll see myself on them with you.
Yes.
Okay,
Look out.
thank you, dear. God
you're
bless.
welcome.
I'm glad I have bless all your fans.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
All right. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you too.
Ah,
I'll see you in New York sometime.
yes, sure. All right.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm glad to be able to come back again and show you the situation here with Jonesy and Arianna, and also show you the drone shots of Greenwich Park. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting the Shabna show. And do look out to bringing you more interesting content. And I'll see you in my next video.